In JavaScript, there is two types of function declaration, and the other one is function expression. So let's talk about function declaration. A function declaration starts with the function keyword, and there will be no variable, and like that way function. So here's the function, and this is the keyword. This is the function keyword. There is no variable, and there is a function name. Okay, this is called the function declaration. So you can invoke this function right there. Okay, so if I run this function, we get the result I am hoisted. So pretty much simple, right? But there is other type of function which is called function expression. It is start with the variable. Let me show you. So here's a variable JS for React, and then there's a function, right? So first it will come the variable name and then function itself, and then rest of the code. And then if I run this code, we'll get the same results, right? Okay, so it'll get the same results. Just the difference is there's syntax, right? And this is a topic of JavaScript for React, because it is important to know that function expression is not hoisted. If I call this function or invoke this function before writing this program, it will not work. Okay, let me show you. So if I cut this code and move in the top, and then after saving, let me run this code again. Okay, let me clear this code. And then if I run this code, we'll see an error, right? Cannot access JavaScript for React before initializing. This is the error you'll get if I call this function before writing the program. So if I change this function to the regular function, which is called function declaration. Okay. Now let's see the magic. It works because function declaration is hoisted. If I add multiple function, no matter, it will work because it's hoisted. I hope this is clear. Is it clear? I think it's clear. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe.